everybody, this is Roxy and I have a subscription package from Your Creative Studio. Amanda, it's like she read my mind. I kind of peeked already because I couldn't wait. Okay, so thank you. There's nothing like looking back at pictures and remember the good times. Thank you for your support. Have fun journaling. Sincerely, Amanda. She's the owner. She curates the best subscription kits for journaling. So, like I said, I already kind of peeked, but not too much. It is so amazing. This is what really caught my eye. It was kind of over here peeking out. So, first of all, we've got some papers. And this is perfect for anybody that's journaling. I mean, you could even do cards. Like ATC cards would be perfect, or trading coins. Anything is all perfect for this. So that is really pretty. And some of this, I think she makes the paper. I'm going to double check and I'll put that below. And then I'll put all the information below. But they're really cool. And then I'll do a project. This is so cool. This is like perfect timing because I'm making a fox for our neighborhood Christmas party invitations. And this will be helpful because I kind of want to have one sitting up like that. I've tried a few laying down and looking front forward. And they look too much like cats because when you're doing forward, you can't get the snout. So this will be really cool. Look at that one. Oh, that's cool. Really nice. And how pretty. So it's like a nature photograph. Now this is, these are stickers. I have to take my glasses off. Those are really cool. Like that one. Tiny stickers. How nice. Very cool. I think she makes these, but I'm guessing like this she would have curated unless she has people make it. I should have contacted her and asked her, but oh, I can't wait. Okay, so here's this washi. I gotta get a little scissor action. Okay, there we go. I kind of want to keep that camera drawing. Isn't that cute? So, I need some white. Pink. This will work. Oh, I know the box. Oops, not the address. I'll put this down. So this is really cute. And it's really nice quality washi. Like the original kind of washi, where it's more of kind of a masking tape. Very cute. That's really cute. Oops. I can just use this. These are really cute. Very cool. Seriously, this is like a journaler's dream. Very cool. I love that. I used to have a collection of cameras. And then we had a garage sale about, probably 12 years ago. And they ended up going for $1 each, and they were vintage. But at the time, nobody wanted them. It's way ahead of myself. Okay, so anyways, that is gorgeous, Amanda. I love it. Then we have another washi. This is Twilight masking tape also. Really cute music notes. Very nice music note. That'd be a nice right way up. This, I don't know what this is, but I love the box. They're stickers. Cute. Cool. They're stickers. Oh, that's nice. That's really cool, Amanda. Love it. That'll be great for journaling too. That's cool. And then kind of see the mushrooms. She does an amazing job at this. And you get a ton of them. Very cool. I love the box alone. Like, that'd be cool to make a little journal that fits. In fact, I might. A little journal that fits right in this cool box. Okay. Then, retro sticky notes. Cute. It's all Twilight. Cool. Fun little sticky notepad. That's cute. Original vintage stickers. Cool. More awesome stickers. Oh, cute. Yeah, these are nice. Oh, you get a really good variety. Some tags, tickets. Cute. Guest checks. Photo corner or photo sleeves. I'm saving that for last. Pretty. All stickers, that's awesome. So you could do all your journaling without any glue or a need for adhesive. Cool. Some labels. Another check. Very cool. And another awesome box that you can use. I mean, you could leave that and put another little mini or something in there. Ooh. Nice envelopes. These are really cool. Ooh, they're different. This would be such a cute mini. Oh, I like that one. She must have made all these. cute. There's a little fox. Oh, this is awesome. I can't wait to play with this. It's great. Little journals. Cool. This is my perfect size for me. Oh, it's a notepad. I'm going to make it into a journal. Isn't that cool? Like my little Fomimo one. I'm going to make this into a journal. Very cool. There's another. Like just quick journaling notes. Oh, they're perforated. That's cool. Pretty. Stamp set. Man, this is awesome, Amanda. Cool. Very cool. Squirrels and frogs. Good stamp company. Those are super nice. Nice. That's perfect. And then my most intriguing, I think, in here caught my eye. Right after the washi caught my eye. That's why I have to film it right away because I gotta see what this is. Pseudo. So adorable stamp. This was made. That is so cute. So it's this stamp. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. I can't wait. I'm gonna stamp it out for you. These are the most coolest kits. I love it. Nice. That is cool. Love it. Awesome. Thank you so much, Amanda. I will put all the information for her subscription kit down below. Everyone is different and you get so many things, and it's not, I mean, it's really cool. It's not that expensive. It's a great little project kit that you can, really get inspired from. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. It's always fun to see. And I always love reading your comments, and I reply to as many as possible. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.